Healthcare Pharmaceuticals Limited (HPL) stands as a prominent pharmaceutical company dedicated to enhancing public health. Renowned for its diverse portfolio of high-quality medications including essential drugs, proton pump inhibitor, antibiotics and life-saving treatments, HPL remains committed to providing accessible and affordable healthcare solutions, not only for the nation but also for a wider global reach. Multivitamin B1, B6, B12 in the name of RENOVIT from Healthcare Pharmaceuticals Limited has become synonymous with trust and innovation in the wellness industry. Throughout the years, RENOVIT is a neuroprotective vitamin that has consistently garnered the trust of both doctors and patients for its efficacy in treating a wide range of conditions such as peripheral neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy, neuralgia, low back pain, lumbago, sciatica, cervical syndrome, myalgia, shoulder-arm syndrome, and more. Building on its long-standing tradition of promoting health and well-being, Healthcare Pharmaceuticals Limited is delighted to introduce the Renovation of RENOVIT, featuring enhanced packaging that ensures maximum safety, potency, and optimal efficacy. RENOVIT's new packaging boasts exceptional quality, surpassing the predecessor in terms of effectiveness. The upgraded packaging includes a UV-protected PET container with an aluminium cap. With a 1-month calendar pack and a pre-printed container, RENOVIT guarantees compliance with regulatory standards and eliminates the risk of dosing errors. Moreover, the new packaging possesses some added benefits like desiccant ensures extra protection from moisture, vanilla flavor effectively masks pungent odors, easy to swallow, which ensures patient compliance. Moreover, our unwavering dedication to sourcing top-notch ingredients and maintaining strict manufacturing standards has garnered the trust of numerous individuals throughout Bangladesh. RENOVIT is crafted using European-grade Super API with vitamin B1 to B6 sourced from DSM Germany and B12 from DSM Switzerland. Guaranteeing unparalleled quality, efficacy and safety. Meticulously formulated, it offers a comprehensive blend of vital nutrients. The dose of RENOVIT is 1 to 3 tablets daily or as directed by the physician. Hence, for the well-being of your patients, embrace the pride of Healthcare Pharmaceuticals' wellness journey with the new RENOVIT. Empower the wellness journey by regenerating nerves.